Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about how do you become a Spanish tutor. So to know about it we are going to read an article on corp.tutorocean.com. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read this article out. How do you become a Spanish tutor? If you have a passion for teaching others and love Spanish, become a tutor is easy. You need at minimum a high school degree to start teaching kindergarten and middle school grade levels. For higher level Spanish courses, you need to earn your degree first and get grade marks B plus or higher in Spanish. Your first step will be to decide which courses you'd like to tutor. Then choose the grade levels you want to teach. Learn the curriculum and key concepts for those grade levels. And lastly, establish your own teaching methods, tools, and eventually you will create your own materials over time as you get more experience working with the students. How much do Spanish tutors get paid? With Tutoration, all tutors set their own hourly rates and schedules. All tutors have the flexibility and freedom to set their rates to get paid what they think is fair. Often new tutors will set rates lower to help start building out their clientele and build their profile with positive reviews. Becoming a great tutor takes time, but well worth it as it's an opportunity to earn enough as a full-time wage or becoming a supplemental source of income. The choice and freedom is yours. Um, so Spanish tutor use tutor online. So let's skip that. Where we're okay. Okay. Spanish tutoring and teaching FAQs. What does an online Spanish tutor do? A private tutor helps their students learn basic Spanish concepts like what is Spanish. To support a student throughout a complete school year Spanish course, students will usually require helping students will be students will usually require help covering additional support concepts including math, science, physics, and more. No matter what sub-discipline of Spanish you are teaching, a private tutor is expected to be well-rounded to ensure they can support the entire student's learning needs. How much do online Spanish tutors make? The cost of Spanish tutors vary because they set their pay rates and time schedules. The industry average Spanish tutor hourly pay is $28 per hour. All tutors have the flexibility and freedom to set their rates to get paid what they think is fair. Often new tutors will set rates lower to help start building out their clientele and gain a few positive reviews to stand out. Becoming a great tutor takes time but is well worth it as it's an opportunity to earn enough as a full-time wage or become an excellent source for supplemental income. The choice and freedom are entirely yours. Spend the time to learn what other tutors are charging in your area based upon their experience and education levels. How to become a Spanish tutor? If you have a passion for teaching others and love Spanish, becoming a tutor is easy. At a minimum, you will need a high school degree or diploma to start teaching kindergarten and middle school grade levels. You may need a degree in a specialist subject for higher level Spanish courses depending on the level you plan to teach. Can I teach Spanish online without a degree? Although only 10% of our tutors who submit an application make it through our selection process. We encourage everyone to apply. You will find that 60% of our Spanish tutors have a bachelor's degree, and about 5% have a master's degree. We recommend that our Spanish tutors have a high school degree to start teaching kindergarten and middle school grade levels. For higher level Spanish courses, you should have a university or college degree. Lastly, some of our tutors help with specialized topics, therefore, taking that specialization and scoring a mark over 80% usually sets you up for success. What do you need to tutor Spanish? For higher school Spanish tutor jobs, we often have an undergraduate student help teach general Spanish. For university school Spanish tutor jobs, we recommend having at least excelled in the Spanish course you are teaching. A peer tutor is sometimes preferred by certain students as they prefer to learn from someone who has recently gone through the course, while other students prefer a more experienced tutor for their academic support needs, including those with more tutoring experience. Also, be prepared to help a student learn other key areas to support their Spanish learning needs, including math, science, chemistry, and physics. So that was the article about how to become a Spanish tutor. So I hope you've understood everything about it. So it's time to end this video right here. So we will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.